Hello everyone, welcome to Guide Hop channel, and in today's video I am going to show you guys how to change TikTok video interest. TikTok has to be one of the most popular apps of recent time. There are barely any age group who aren't engaged with TikTok. People use TikTok to at least watch videos if not create one. TikTok as an app runs an algorithm. It shows such videos which you prefer to watch, perfectly catching your video interest. Now, if in case you want to change your video interest in TikTok, here's how you do it. First things first, open TikTok app. From your home page, directly go to your profile by clicking on the profile option at the bottom right corner. There you can see three dot lines on the top right corner. Click on the three dot lines. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll down. There you will find an option of content preferences on content and display section. Click on content preferences and go to filter video keywords on the top. Now here you get an option to add that particular word of videos which you don't want to see. For instance, if you don't want to watch videos about iPhone, then simply go to add keyword and type iPhone. Now choose whether you want to filter this keyword from your For You page or following page. I want to filter this keyword from my For You page, so I am choosing For You and then go to Save. Now that you have added a keyword, TikTok will make sure that you don't get to see any videos related to iPhone. This is how you change your video interest. There's another way as well to change your TikTok video interest. Let's say if you don't want to like or see this video that is appearing on your For You page, then all you have to do is click on the share option at the right, and you can see at the bottom there are different options of report, not interested, etc. Go to not interested. Now, rest of the work will be done by TikTok itself. You won't be seeing video of this creator anymore. This is how you change your video interest on TikTok. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.